Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will take a deep dive into Apple. We initially published our report on our website on Tuesday, November 28, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any updates that could impact your investments. Make smarter trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a strong investment opportunity. We have given it a score of 2.09, suggesting it is a buy candidate. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Apple's stock has shown a gain of 4.72%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.31% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $192, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 3.71% change over the next 3 months. The possible return falls within a range of -7.79% to 4.58%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a 32.8% change over the next year. The potential return lies within a range of 19.65% to 49.42%. This means that after a year, the stock could be priced between $227.81 and $284.49. Our latest update for Apple reveals a stronger technical forecast for the stock price after Tuesday's trading. On Tuesday, November 28, 2023, the Apple stock price increased by 0.321%, rising from $189.79 to $190.40. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations, reaching a low of $189.40 and a high of $191.08, with a total fluctuation of 0.89%. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, showing a 3.03% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 636,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 37 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $6.97 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and possibly signal future changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $198.22, while the lowest was $124.17. Currently, the price stands at 3.95% or $7.82 below the 52-week high, and 16.59% or $37.86 below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave a outperform grade to Apple with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank gave a sector weight grade to Apple with a hold action. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave a outperform grade to Apple with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI gave a outperform grade to Apple with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays gave a equal weight grade to Apple with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating overall. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio also as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Today, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for Apple stock. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal for Apple stock, but the long-term average indicates a buy signal. This means that overall, there is a positive forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $190.46. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $180.45. Breaking through the short-term average will send a buy signal, while breaking through the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, shows a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be seen as an early warning, so it's important to closely monitor the stock. Negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the stock's short-term development. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, leading to a 0.548% decrease. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator gave a buy signal. The pivots indicator gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The Bollinger indicator gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 16 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 4 days ago. If you want to find more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to support levels, Apple's stock has some interesting ones. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $177.56 and $176.30. Now, what does this mean? Well, support levels are like safety nets for stocks. If a stock is testing a support level and it breaks, there's a chance it might fall even further to the next support level. In this case, if Apple's stock breaks the $177.56 support, the next support level will be at $176.30 and $175.01. Moving on to risk, it's important to consider the volatility of a stock. Apple has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. On the last day, the stock moved $1.68 between its high and low, which is 0.89% of its value. Looking at the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 0.95%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Apple, let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is crucial as it measures the company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.08. It is important to keep a close watch on these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Apple stock. If you're considering buying Apple shares, it's important to be aware of the current resistance and support levels. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $190.64. This means that if the stock price surpasses this level, it could be a good opportunity to enter a position. However, if you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before making a move. For those who are already holding Apple stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $177.56. If the stock price reaches this level and holds, it could indicate a potential rebound. This could be an attractive entry point for traders looking to buy Apple shares. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 10, 2023, Condo Christ sold 4,806 shares of common stock as an insider. On October 15, 2023, Condo Christ bought 10,785 shares of common stock as an insider. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -22.855. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,435,965 shares and sold 4,035,279 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $184.37, which is a decrease of 3.16%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 5 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that Apple stock presents a buying opportunity. Several short-term signals and a positive overall trend indicate that the stock may perform well in the near future. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the stock in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Wednesday, November 29th, we anticipate Apple stock to open down by $0.107, with an initial trading price of $190.29. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with a current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We are curious to know your target for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.